So this is a, let me see the question number. It is a question number October 17, 11 variant. So let's see how we can do this one, how we can start. So look at here. First of all, he's asking here, students, show working find shaded area. But shaded area not mentioned, and naturally we can find two ways, about x, about y. About x is 0, x1 is 0, and x2 is 1. How we can find I part? So shaded area SA. What is about x-axis formula? x1, x2, y, dx. Every time make a habit of writing formula, inshallah become easy for you. 0 to 1, and y value is coming here. So half time to x to power 4 minus 1 dx. And I said a lot of time, the half is multiplying the whole. You can write it outside. You can write it outside. So I'm writing it outside. Make easy for me. So half I'm writing outside. Okay. Now what is integration? And this inside bracket you don't write, no issue at all. Okay, let me write it again. This is a x to power 4 minus 1. What is integration? Increase the power by 1, divide by same, and 1 integration is x. Limit is 0 to 1. So just put first value. When you put 1 and 1 here, it is coming 1 by 5 minus 1. So 1 by 5 minus 1 is giving you minus 4 by 5. And I said before, is the upper limit. And when I put lower limit, that you know, put 0 here and put 0 here, give you 0. Ultimate answer comes minus 2 by 5. Ignore negative sign, answer area under curve or shaded area is 2 by 5 only. So shaded area is equals to 2 over 5 unit square. You say, why not negative, sir? I said before, when this, look at here, this part above, this below, this area positive area and this negative because below x-axis. But if I talk about if I talk about a y-axis situation, then what happens then? Then let's say I have this kind of curve. So this is a positive area and this is a negative area. So I hope so this concept is very clear to you. So first part is done. Let's go part number 2. And you know, he's asking rotation the curve shaded part about x-axis. So volume part is very clear, you know it. Volume about x-axis. So about x-axis. And you know about x-axis, if I rotate the curve, so pi outside, x1, x2, y squared dx. Actually same like area, but only pi outside and square of y. So what is the lower limit? Same 0, 1. You know it. Everything same. So 0, 1. And but inside what I have to do, half x4 minus 1 whole square. Whole square y is the formula. Okay. Square of algebraic rule. What is algebraic rule? If you have a two terms multiplying inside, we can give this power to both separate, allowed in case of multiplying or division. This criteria is applicable for two things, but for plus and minus, it is not possible. So with two things. So this square goes in half, it becomes 1 by 4. So I brought out, so pi by 4. And what left inside left for you, and x to power 4 minus 1 to power 2. Now recall, this is not a linear base. Remember, under power 2, not linear base. If x power is nothing there, let's say this power 4 gone. Yeah, this is not linear base. This is now linear base. If you have a linear base, then you don't need to expand. No need to expand. But if it is a non-linear base, you expand. Like this 4, you are bound to expand. And how to expand? So the first two expansion, don't integrate first. So I am doing first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So let me complete. Pi by 4 comes out and limit 0 to 1 and x to power 8 minus 2x to power 4 plus 1 dx. Now I'm close to answer and I'm just putting the values. I think you can understand that how I can do it. Put upper limit minus lower limit. I save my time. Volume 5 by 4, a bracket. Okay, when you replace, sorry, I did not integrate. Okay, integrate here now. X to power 8, 9 by 9. And what about this? 2x to power 5 by 5. And this x1 become x. And lower limit is 1, upper limit is, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. And you know, I think I should write the answer, final answer here, and then ensure I change page. Okay. When I replace 1 here and here and here, so what will happen? Let me check it. 1 divided by 9 minus 2 divided by 5 and plus 1. It is coming 32 by 45. And when I put 0, it confirm all 0 coming. So it means this divided by 2. So answer is coming 16 by 45 pi unit cube volume about x-axis. Saad, you got the same answer?
Sir, I got 8 pi by 45.
8 pi by 45. So let me see, maybe I have done some mistake. Let me confirm. 2 square 4 out, correct?
Sir, you put pi over 2, not pi over 4.
No, beta, look it here. When this square goes on 2, this 4 comes outside. How 2 comes?
At the end, you put 2. You wrote pi by
Oh,
2.
yeah. By mistake. Correct. Thank you very much. I have to put here 4 outside. Then it comes change then. Then what is the answer comes 8? 8 4
Yes,
the
sir.
32. Is it okay now? Correct?
Yes, sir.
All of you please take a screenshot so I can go for the part number 3rd. This is a part number 2 done here. This is a part number 2 done. So now please take a screenshot. 8 by 45 pi unit cube is answer. And now I'm going for the part number 3rd. So I'm clearing screen and I'm going for part number 3rd. Now actually when it's the same about y-axis. Okay, first I write a volume formula about x-axis. And then I change. What x-axis you learn? x1, x2, y squared dx. And now I'm writing about y-axis. Okay, about y-axis. So what is area about y-axis? So volume formula, as you know, pi. Look, every variable change. Like x become y and y become x. Here y1, here y2, here x squared, here dy. Matter of putting formal values, but look at here because this part, this is called y1. So y1 equal to 0 and y2 is equals to minus half. So I'm getting here. So lower limit is minus half, upper limit is 0, and x squared. Do you have x squared or no? This is another issue. So let's try to make it x squared subject. So let's try to make an x squared subject. So I'm going to find here. Half x to power 4 minus 1. This 2 multiplied there becomes 2y is equal to x4 minus 4. Minus 1 comes this end, it becomes x4. So I think so, this is clear. And when I bring it there, it becomes x4. If I take root of both end, I get this one. I think you got my point. Clear. So now I'm going to put it there. This x square fully match. So I just put this whole thing inside here. So I'm getting here root of 2y minus 1 dy. So let's see what happens then. What is the rule of integration? Increase the power by 1. So already half becomes 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 into base derivative. This 1 has a 0 derivative and 2y is 2. And limit is minus half till 0. These two cancel. And this 3 you can bring outside. You don't bring, no issue, but better to bring outside. And what left inside? 2y minus 1 power 3 by 2 and limit is minus half till 0. So when I put 0 in the place of, okay, what happens then? So I have space issue. I'm writing on the top then. Finish my question. Okay, here I'm writing on the top. So volume part is coming what? Pi by 3 outside. When I put 0 in the place of x, this 0 in the place of y, sorry. So it becomes minus 1 to power 3 by 2. Minus, when I put minus half here, minus half, you know what? Let me show you. 2 times 2 minus half, minus 1. This cancel, I get minus 2 actually. I'm getting negative 2, okay. So when I put a negative 2, what happens then? No, I think one mistake I did. Yeah, this is plus 1. When it minus 1 goes here, it becomes a plus 1. Sorry for that. So there's one mistake. So there's a plus 1, there's a plus 1. So it means this plus 1. Now it is okay. So first I put 0, I got a 1. So it means this mistake also. This minus not there. So I got a correct answer. Now put 0 here. I got a 1. And when I put minus half and minus half, look, I show you. Into minus half plus 1. These two cancel. Minus half plus 1 give you 0. It means when I put the lower limit, it is giving me 0. So 0. So answer is coming pi by 3. Yes, Saad. You got the same pi by 3 answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. You see a lot of algebra in control, and concept. So this is giving us answer correct. Alhamdulillah. So idea is very, very clear. So